Ilan sila?
Ayun. Wipe na natin
Dalawa.
yan.
Wait lang.
Dalawa.
Hindi pa nakikita lahat.
Dalawa. Mag-dismount na ako sa bridge kasi malamang dadaan sila sa bridge.
Pero dikit ka sa ano mo, sa mount mo.
Ayun,
Medyo malalim.
Dinismount ako. Dinismount ako.
6.
Dinismount ako.
We can fight.
Punta ka na dito sa dapa.
Papir OC na. We fight this. Go. Pre.
Saan ka si dapa? Where are you?
I'm here.
I need you.
Oh shit. I pop my shit there.
I'm gonna have to, okay. 3, 2, 1. May stacks ka na? When do you have stacks?
Okay, I'm ready.
Just kill that guy.
Wait lang. They on me, two on me, boys.
Okay. Just get back for a while, like comfy.
Wait lang, may
I have stun 5 seconds. May stun ako 5 seconds.
I'm dead. What the fuck?
May ano ka? Do you have anything?
Yeah,
I think we can kill this guy. Quaffil. We can kill. Wipe namin sila, Anish.
Real. Oh my god, bro. I think I should fucking nature.
Asan ka, Shida pa? Asan ka? Punta ka sa akin, lapit ka sa akin so I can kill him. Okay.
Wait.
We wipe them. I need to mount up kasi I'm low HP.
I'm low.
We wipe them, but you need to mount up.
Bro, what happened? Why you die?
I'm not just to natulak din ako na triple kick ako.
I think you cleric, yeah.
Bro,
na triple ka dun eh.
Wait lang. I will come back.
I'm gonna double blink this guy, okay?
Okay.
Gagaguhuli, tang ina mo.
Okay, may
No, sayang, hindi nahuli yung root.
Loot up.
Sige. I
Balik
hate
ka, pre. Balik ka. I think I go into what's different.
Yeah, just come back. Wait, nag-dismount sila, pre.
Hindi, siguro balik muna kayo. They know that baka i-chase kayo.
Yeah, they're gonna chase.
They know that we don't have healer.
Tangina. Tunaw ka agad sila. Patay mo to. Kill this guy.
Wala din ako defensives dun, pre. Isa lang dun.
8 poison yan.
Patay yan. He's dead.
Wait lang. I mean, wide work
we killed like 9 people, bro. Go back.
Grabe naman yun na
Wait, patay din yan. May ano ka? May pierce ka?
Wala.
Wait lang, pre. I'm almost there, pre. I'm like half in my purple.
I've got 3.5 on me. Kasama yung body mo, Nis.
Okay. I think it's better to play Blade.
I have 1 M on me.
Let's go home. Bro. Fucking...
Ilan na
Killed like 9 people, but like, ang daming na trash.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
I got
We came for the content, not for the fucking money, bro. Nandiyan pa yung core?
I don't know.
Baka naka-cheater na eh.
May tab ka, sila pa. Ayun, gago. Nag-dismount tayo. Sige, laban. Nag-dismount sila.
Gusto mo nga rin ako.
Sige. Stuck ka muna. I'm gonna hit soon, okay? Yung... Sige, yan. 3, 2, 1, stun now. Nice. He can die still.
Ay, pon na Mars.
Nice, thank you.
I pop my wrist.
I have stun 8 seconds. 3, I have stun soon. 3, I have stun. 2, 1, stunning. No.
This fucking bullying, bro. bro, this guy can't reset, by the way. You see this? Yung run breaker.
Ito. May dalawang body doon hindi nalot ah.
Okay lang. Oh my god, pre, naka-tier 8. What the fuck? Pre.
May isa pa doon, may body.
Meron dito. Hit pa.
Wala akong stun. Wait, si Dapa, coming to you, si Dapa. May stun ako.
Nag-loot up yan, pre.
Huli. Nice one.
Mahal din yan, shit niya.
Oh, 5, naka tier 7.
I think Terry ba nila?
Mounting ako. Oh, Terry na.
Base nila yan.
Oh, back na. Okay. Nalot mo na yung dalawang body sa likod.
Parang lumalayo siya sa ano?
Hindi. Nang-debate yan.
Nalot mo yung dalawang body sa likod, Nish, or...
Hindi.
Or yung
Isa lang,
isa lang.
isa lang na
Nice.
isa lang
Palaga
na
natin pag
Wait lang, may
Pre, pre,
isa
pre,
pa.
punta ka sa akin ano. Mars, dismount ka na Mars.
Okay, wait.
Hindi, hindi.
Coming.
Mars, come here.
Coming.
Okay, binibait na.
Wait, I'm far.
They're
Ano, bumabalik na.
Okay, I'm back.
May loot up.
May double blink stun ako.
Go.
Gusto mo, ayun.
Ayan, boots.
Ano ba?
Oh, fuck.
Ready,
Shit.
Pierce.
Mauna na ako. Nice, good job.
We want him.
Good, go.